Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday the 30th of April. We're going to look at cable now, which has reacted positively actually in the last session or so to the Fed. Risk appetite seems to still be edging positively. The dollar has weakened on the back of the Fed, and subsequently cable is edging higher. Now the key is how this now develops, I think, because I've been saying that this is effectively a range play, and it sort of is really in the course of the past month or so. But there is the prospect that this could be a higher low at 22.45. There was also the prospect that we could test that high at 26.45. Now the key to this will be Tuesday's high and also the 61.8% fib level at 25.15 area. Now, how the market responds around that could be key, because if we start to turn back from there, then you'd say that that probably is now a range play in cable, leaving sort of a resistance around that, having attempted at it for a second time and then fallen away. That would be not negative, but that would be fairly indicative of what you'd expect to see in a range play, sort of resistance falling and forming, and the market sort of reverting back to the mean again, which effectively in this range is 24. I've got 24.05 being old lows, and you can see this on the hourly chart where 24.05 has been sort of pivotal in the past couple of weeks, and up from yesterday's low 23.85. You could say that there's a support band really between sort of 23.85, 24.05 now. So a little tick higher in the European session, edging towards that. I've got 25.20 on this hourly chart, but as I said, 25.15 area being that fib level on the daily chart. But interesting that you do now have these momentum indicators more positively configured. Our MACD lines are consistently above neutral. RSI sort of pulling from the sort of 40 area, 35-40 area up towards the 70 area, which is edging risk positive. Today we've seen it in the mid-60s, so it's sort of looking towards a test of that resistance overhead. But if it can't quite make it, then as I said, and break out above 25.15, which would then open 26.45, then you'd start to be a little bit disappointed, I think, if you're bullish, and then maybe you'd start to drift back again. So it's a fine area, fine margins that we see on cable at the moment, and as I said, 25.15 is resistance. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website where you can sign up for our webinar.